This is Jonathan. We met on the train replacement bus from Naples to Rome, and this is how our day went.
What's your name though?
Hi, my name is Jonathan.
Jonathan from Portugal.
I'm from Brazil. Brazil.
Oh, sorry, Brazil.
Brazil.
Sorry. Speak good.
Brazil. My father from Italy. My mother from Brazil.
Yeah, and he speaks like Ronaldo.
I'm living in Italy.
Italy.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hi. Hello. Ciao.
Ciao.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Good morning. Good night. Buonasera.
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 Yeah. Buonasera. Do you have a channel on YouTube?
No.
Oh.
I have a channel, but I haven't posted anything.
Oh,
I will
okay.
post.
Before we get to Rome, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
I'm at Rome. Good morning from Roma, Italia. I'm with Mr. Jonathan.
Italo-Brasiliano.
Yeah, great guy.
Napoli.
Napoli.
In Napoli.
And we are now ordering this one
Yeah.
from McDonald's. And I think just behind us is the Spanish Steps.
Okay.
Coffee in Italy. It's actually alright. Not too bad. Is it better than Melbourne? No. But it's alright. The thing about the bottles in Italy is that their caps don't separate. So they just hang off the top. Like this. I think it's for pollution control. Me and Jonathan is in this sketchy place to store our baggage. Look at this elevator, bro. This is the smallest elevator.
No.
Two people can't even get in.
So possible.
No, not possible.
Okay. Now.
No. Three. Oh no, three.
Oh my God.
We're gonna
Go now. Forwards, mother. Forward.
father and mother. Yeah.
Hi, father, mother, my friend. Of my friend. Akuchko's moment.
Sorry, what's happening? Why did you sound the alarm?
No.
People sleeping, sir. Please be careful.
No. It's crazy receptionist. No.
Yeah.
Guy.
What is your problem?
What is the problem?
Oh
What
my
is the
God.
problem?
Everyone is sleeping and we're making noise. We woke the entire building up. I stored my bag, he didn't store his bag because he's carrying a big cello instrument, so he couldn't store it.
Nothing.
Bro, look at this gate.
A new friend. Your name is Nothing.
Nothing.
Come on, Nothing.
Nothing.
Come on, Nothing.
Oh. What time is it? Wait. 4 in the morning. We're in the streets of Rome at what time is it? Like 4 a.m.
No, nothing. It's a good.
Nothing
friend.
is behaving well.
Yes, a good friend.
Good
Okay,
friend.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Nothing. Come on.
Yeah.
Go, Nothing. Go.
No smoking, nothing.
No smoking. Nothing. No drugs, no alcohol.
No alcohol.
Okay, thanks.
No drugs.
Go. Action.
Action.
Play. Hi, my friend. Nice to meet you. Jonathan.
Nice to meet you.
Jonathan. Huh?
Musa.
Musa.
Yeah,
Are you from Musa?
I'm from Gambia.
Gambia.
Yeah,
Very good.
smiling coast of Africa.
Are you a tourist?
No,
Oh, you live here. Oh.
I live
Living what how time?
How long are you living here for?
No, I'm not living in Rome. I'm living in another country.
Oh,
Another city.
so you're a tourist in Rome?
Another
Yeah, I
city.
just came here to do something, then I have to go back.
Oh, you wanna come with us? To Colosseum, sunrise.
Where you guys are going?
Colosseum,
Coliseum.
Colosseo.
Yeah,
Coliseu.
Do you wanna come?
Jamaica.
No, do you want to come with us for sunrise? Me, Jonathan, and nothing going to the Colosseum. And look at this building
Come
here.
on. Stop.
Stop. Start. Go.
Go now. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Nothing. Shut up. Okay. Goodbye.
Good boy. We're at the plaza. Woo-hoo-hoo. And that's old ruins and a museum. Do not know what that is. Oh, look at that.
Romano Travertino.
Travertino.
Wow.
Oh my god. It's passing all the cars. I think that's Vatican, right? Is it Vatican City?
Excuse me.
Hi.
Michel.
Michel. Which one?
E cosa c'è noi, Michel?
Sto cercando Michel.
Michel.
Come? No, non fai così. Michel, ok, Michel.
Michel.
No, io non so.
No, we not Michel.
È quello.
Oh, no. Sorry. I thought.
Bravo.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Here, one woman. Here, Michel.
Michel. Philadelphia.
Wow. Go to Victor.
Bro, we're just walking like 10 meters and exploring everything on our way. Ooh! Machine.
Yeah.
Look at these gates, man. Look at the work on it. And probably these are like hundreds of years old. Look at this car. These are old as well.
No.
It is almost 5 here in Rome, about to be sunrise. Me and Jonathan. Jonathan, look left.
Here. Wow. Coliseo.
Coliseo.
It's a dream.
Dream.
It's a dream.
Coliseo.
Coliseo. It's my dream. Oh my god.
Oh. Do the thing. Colosseum.
One taxist.
Michel. You Michel? 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 No, not you, Michel. I'm Jonathan. Michel? Michel? Rajo? Rajo? Michel? Michel? E taxista? Yeah. Michel? No, I know. No, Michel? Michel here? No, not me. Not here. Experience. Very good.
Very good, right? Yeah, when you're with me, you get this sort of jokes, mate.
Go.
Yeah, let's go. That was nice.
Olive tree.
Olive oil.
Óleo.
So, this was the Colosseum. I will come back again tonight or today, but he won't. I don't know if he will, probably won't. And now we're going to Trevi Fountain.
Oh, go.
This is Roma in the morning. The sun is out and we are out for Trevi Fountain. As you can see behind me is the Colosseum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. I thought Roma was overrated, but fuck me, this is gorgeous. Look at these, bro. Ancient ruins, thousands of years old. Wow. Bro. I really like Rome. So this olive tree is 150 years old. And so the olive? Oh, still growing olives. So I am here at Trevi Fountain. Everyone's like dressed up and posing for a photo. Everyone. It's crazy. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Everyone's here. It's just a fountain though. All right. Oh my fuck. My ass has absolutely been drenched. People are throwing coins here because they believe it's good luck and they make a wish and it'll come true. Proper bullshit. Also, I don't have any coins. I don't have any coins. So I'm gonna use my card. Got me card. Hopefully that works. Yeah, it should work. Right. So, me and Jonathan
Yeah.
are going to go separate ways. He's going to go to
Yeah.
the train station.
I'm going to Nord. I'm going to Svizzera,
Yeah, Milan.
Milano,
And
after Swiss.
yeah.
Okay.
And I'll be going towards Vatican City.
Yeah.
So,
Let me go. Bye.
bye. What a legend.
Nice people.
Nice.
Very important people.
Yeah. See you later.
See you later.
Yeah, we're going separate ways. Say bye. Bye. Ciao. Bye. What a legend. We're going separate ways. It's going towards the main station and I'm going towards Vatican City. And yeah, kind of sad. That's alright. That's life, isn't it? Now I'm all alone. It was a really good time. I had really good time with him.
And yeah, that was the last time I ever saw him. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so that I can meet my friend again.